WANBO has once again raised the bar with its latest flagship, the 2025 Mozart One Pro New, the world's first Google TV MEMC LCD projector. Building upon the solid foundation of its predecessor, the Mozart One Pro, the new model delivers powerful upgrades that elevate every aspect of your home theater experience. From stunning visuals and immersive sound to a smarter, smoother interface, the software experience has also been completely transformed. While the original Mozart One Pro used a basic Android-based OS, the 2025 version integrates Google TV, giving users access to over 10,000 apps, personalized recommendations, and a seamless, smart entertainment ecosystem. Another standout improvement is the introduction of MEMC technology. Previously absent, this feature now enables ultra-smooth playback of fast-moving scenes, perfect for sports, games, and action films. It's manually adjustable for customized motion clarity. Sound is just as crucial as image, and WANBO knows that. The new model features a 20-watt speaker system housed in a 660 cubic centimeter sound chamber with a frequency range reaching down to 20 Hz for deep, rich bass. Compared to its predecessor, that's a 25% boost in audio power, providing an immersive 360-degree sound field without the need for external speakers. The 2025 Mozart One Pro New isn't just an upgrade, it's a reimagining of what a smart LCD projector can be. With Google TV integration, MEMC smoothing, impressive brightness, cinema-grade sound, and a host of creative features, it earns its spot as a category leader for budget-conscious home theater fans. Whether you're setting up an outdoor movie night, gaming with friends, or just streaming your favorite series, this projector does it all effortlessly.